Okay, I have a Schlage KIK lock from Jitsuka. I have a key for it, but it is taped up, but we don't need no key. So let's use the top of the keyway. Okay, it is locked up. This is the pick we're going to use. Let's go to the back of the lock. See if we can get this pick in. Okay, there's a little bit on 5. 3, 2, give a little bit of turn on the plug. There's 1. Let's go to the back of the lock again. Okay, we moved to pin 3 a little bit when we went by it. Okay, let's reset it and try a different pick temporarily. Let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, 5, 4, and 3. There's a little bit more on 5. Give us a little bit of a false set. Okay, there's some on 4. Okay, that was 3. Okay, let's go back to the back and got our false set back. We lost it on one of the pins. Okay, there it is, open on pin 2. Alright, let's open it up and see what kind of pins are in it. Okay, we turned it completely around. Let's get it back up around. Okay. Now let's see if we can unscrew this. And we locked it back. We got a key, so we'll use the key. See if we can get this unscrewed. Okay, let's take the key out. Okay, that's the bitting on the key. It's not too drastic. Okay, the key does work. Alright, all the pins are in. Okay, we'll take a close look at them in a moment and see what we've got. Looks like there is was a little wafer on top of that key pin. Okay, let's check the plug. Okay, there is some threading or counter milling in all 5 chambers. Probably counter milling. Alright, let's check our top pins. Let's back this up some. Okay, pin 1. Pin 2. Pin 3. Okay, pin 4, now pin 5. That's pin 5. Okay, it doesn't look like he's been into the Bible at all. So, let's take a close look at the pins. Get a little bit closer. Okay, this is a spool type pin in number 1 with a slightly wide gap on the top of the key pin. Make it act similar to a spool. This one was tapered down a little bit like a mushroom spool, but a little bit deeper. Alright, 3 and 4, serrated key pin, standard key pin. This is like a mushroom type spool, similar to it. This, I don't know what it is, but he also had a wafer in this chamber. Okay, on number 5, another serrated key pin, another mushroom type spool. Okay, that's what we have in this lock. I appreciate the lock. Thank you for sending it to me, Jitsuka. Please, everyone, stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again for watching.